Now, these low-calorie density foods are so effective because your body is designed to hold on to your belly fat. You see, studies have shown that feeling full is more likely to make a person stop eating than is the calorie content of the food consumed. And studies have shown people who eat lower calorie density foods consume fewer calories every day but end up eating more actual food. This is what makes high calorie density foods so easy to overeat. You just want to eat less of them and instead add more low to moderate calorie density foods into your diet. Believe me, these small changes to your diet will make it almost effortless for you to start losing fat, especially when you pair it with the second food on our list. This is what's known as the thermic effect of food, and is part of what makes our next food, lean proteins, so effective for fat loss. Subjects on the high protein diet ended up burning about 70 calories more per day, with another study of similar design finding a similar result. It's the most important food to help you maintain or even build more muscle as you lose fat, which is going to help you look better once you get lean enough to lose your belly fat, but it also seems to correlate well with preventing fat regain after your diet is over. You can still have the fattier protein sources in moderation, but by eating mostly leaner proteins, you'll not only consume fewer calories, but you can also potentially swap those saved fat calories for something else.